Hello everyone, Matt here from Hobby Ceramic Craft. Just letting you know we've had a crazy busy week this week. Lots of deliveries to tell you about. First one of which are all these kilns which are now back in stock. We've had a few people waiting for these to come in. We've got the Roda 100, 200 and 300 litre kilns. If you're interested in us coming and installing one of these for you, this is something we now offer. We've done 2 installs this week for a couple of studios in the south here, but we can install anywhere in the country and get the kiln set up and working on your smartphone for you. Also, we've had some bisque deliveries which Jane will be keen to show you all about. Cute little houses. Jane can take it from here.
Okay, all right. So we've had, like Matthew said, loads of deliveries in, and these I think are particularly cute. But what Matthew realised is, are they actually on the website? I don't know whether they're on the website yet. So we're going to quickly go check that they are. But look at these, aren't these cute? So there's a little candle holder, which is PB 366, and you've got place there to put maybe a tea light. We would never ever recommend a naked flame, so a little battery operated tea light, or those little fairy lights with a battery. They would look rather lovely. Lots of paintable surfaces there, aren't they? Just give you an idea, there's different sizes of them. Really
so they're not on the website right now, but as soon as this video goes live, you'll be able to find these on YouTube.
And
you want to tell everybody about our super new coffee machine?
Oh, the super new coffee machine! Oh my goodness!
When you come to visit us next time, ask for a fancy coffee. We have this super coffee machine that makes the best flat whites and milk.
It's important, isn't it? Frothy milk is very important. Makes the day go much better. And I think we've all been buzzing a little bit on it this week, but we've needed that because, oh my goodness. So this is upstairs in Unit 2. So items that are back in stock. Oh, I think some of these might have already been in stock, but we've got loads of pumpkins, which we showed you last year, and we did some really cool techniques on those. What's come in that we haven't had for a while? We've got, that's the little dog, but this is one of the plain vases, CX 713. And we seem to be selling those really quite quickly. And also this one here is the great shape vases. There's 3 pallets of those, but already half a pallet's gone, and they've only been in stock, I don't know, a couple of days, haven't they? But yeah, we have got, go check the website out because
Texture planters back in stock. Faceted bear is back in stock.
Oh my goodness, some really cool customers painted this item a little while ago with wearing onesies. So yeah, have a look in some of the Facebook groups, and you might be able to find some of those. What else have we got? Oh, the Christmas
Faceted bud vases are back in stock.
Well, oh yeah, but this is the tea light, the Christmas tea light. That was really popular last year. Sea turtle dish, that's back in stock. And yeah, what Matthew was saying was the faceted bud vase, that's back in stock. There's hardly any space in the warehouse at the moment. Pirate boxes.
We're just listing bisque now. I think that's probably enough.
I know, and we've got clock, haven't we? And we've got glaze in stock, and we just had a mayco paint delivery as well that's just come in. But we've been so busy this week, that's still being processed, and I was going to just show you what processing the paint requires, because we need to, comes in a container on pallets. We need to take it off the pallet, and then we need to put it on the shelves. So this is what processing the paint looks like, and this is maybe why we can't get stock on the system straight away, because we need to identify what it is, write the numbers on it, and then assimilate it into our stock shelves. And we just haven't quite got round to it. But there's all the stroke and coat paints in the pints. nice full shelves.
Also, we ought to mention that we've had two deliveries we've had in recently. The Italian bisque that we had in, was that this week or last week?
I think that was last week.
And the PB bisque that we've just had in stock has been tested, which is something we do every time, which is very dull, but we just dip glaze it, fire it. I won't bother showing you the samples because that's not particularly interesting, just shiny white bisque. But we do that to test colour, glaze fit, and
It's general bisque quality, isn't it? We need to inform you, the customer, what you're buying. That's what we try and do.
great, much.
So we will say, see you next week. Take care. Bye.